What's up? This is Kareem from DJBooth.net, and I'm here in the lab to give you guys a quick unboxing and first impressions video of the new Maschine Studio Groove Production System by Native Instruments. So what we have here is the top of the line, the new flagship Production Studio controller that is made by Native Instruments, made to work with the new Maschine 2.0 software, which has various improvements to the workflow and to the controllability of your complete setup. So the original Maschine and the Maschine Micro were produced a few years ago, and earlier this year we had a few reviews of the Maschine MK2 edition, which they updated. They added some RGB backlit pads that the Maschine Studio also has, and they made a few other improvements to the actual layout. But here we have a totally new machine. This is the top tier, top level Maschine Studio, and it provides you with a few new updates to the middle version of the machine, which is the Maschine MK2, including a nice oversized jog wheel. You also have your dual screens, and you have a nice, really big control surface, so you can really see and use your layout to the fullest of your potential. So we'll do a quick unboxing. We'll have the review ready for you guys shortly. But for right now, we're just going to open it up and see what comes in the box. Alright, first up, we get a box here for your power adapter. It's the power brick type adapter. Comes with your different connections for your different regions. It's for your power, of course. Next up, there is the USB cable, so you connect this to your computer. Then we get the hardware itself. We'll go through that in a second. Okay, in the box we also have your safety instructions. Then we have some Native Instruments and Maschine stickers. And then here is the software and the serial numbers in order so you can download your software online and you can register your hardware with Native Instruments. So you also have a disc here with your Maschine 2.0 library as well. So we'll go over all of this on the full out review. Alright, so here it is, the Maschine Studio, and right off the bat you can tell it's a lot bigger than the other models of Maschine and Maschine Micro in the same range. It's a really substantial feeling unit. It's not too heavy, but it's not something that you really might want to lug around from place to place. That's what the Micro 4 and the MK2 would be for. But here we have your oversized jog wheel so that you can browse and edit and do your different functions within the software. It's a forever encoder. You also have these nice RGB backlit velocity sensitive pads, and then all of the buttons actually are backlit as well, and they have a nice click to them when you press them. You have nice resistance with your knobs as well, so you can make your nice final and moderate adjustments. You have your VU meters so you can see the different levels of the channels. And then there's a mixer mode where you'll be able to see your actual mixer levels as well on the dual screens. But we'll get into that a lot more when we do the full out review. Construction wise, it's built very nicely, feels very quality. You have a brushed aluminum faceplate down here. Then you have your acrylic covering over the screens. You have a mostly plastic construction underneath, but you do have these new feet, so you don't need a stand if you want it to face you at an angle when it's down on your desk. So we'll have the full review completed shortly. I'll also run down these quick input and output connections. You guys might want to see that. The MIDI in, and you got your 3 MIDI output connections. You have your 2 foot switch connections, and then your USB power and your on-off switch as well. So for more on the full review, we'll dive a lot deeper into the unit, and we'll have a lot more details for you, let you know what you can expect with the new Maschine Studio within the next couple weeks. So check back at our website, which is www.djbooth.net/DJS, or you can click on the link in the top of this description. Thanks for watching.